Shadow AI is everywhere, Defreed, and most of it you simply cannot see. Let me show you how Aribot brings it into the light. It starts with discovery. Aribot scans your code, your network, and every identity accrue in a single pass. In seconds, the panel fills in. 10 AI services found, 5 unsanctioned, 4 hard-coded keys. Every service is classified crowing, sanctioned, unsanctioned, or unknown, well known, and mapped straight to its source. Once we can see it, we score it. Every AI service ranked by its real risk.
And every AI agent might be running as root. One poison prompt, and that power belongs to an attacker.
And then we fix it. One click of Brainiune, and your shadow AI is governed. Every discovery and every fix is logged and queuing, audit ready for the EU AI Act and NIST.
See every AI, govern every call. This is Aribot by Aristiun.